ICT Minister TateMavetera weekend fanfare over the donation of 30 laptops and 5 Starlink kits to Lopota Primary School in Gogwe School did little to mask the government's ongoing failure to deliver meaningful digital inclusion across Zimbabwe. Sabina mashukubira pangwana shinzi Mavetera's a digital revolution, just 30 laptops and a lot of hot air. Pangwa inezvoni kwakunzi zvatadza kukava the government say ongoing failures. No subscribe or like on the bell. Mavetera proudly announced in quotes, "Today I was honored to accompany the Honorable Minister of Defense, Comrade Obamchunguri Kashiri, who on behalf of His Excellency President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa officially commissioned a state-of-the-art computer laboratory at Lopota Primary School. However, the pomp and circumstance stand in stark contrast to everyday realities faced by most Zimbabwean learners with only 30 laptops and a handful of Starlink kits for an entire school and community. This milestone barely stretches the surface of the country's vast digital divide. Mavetera's assertion that no learner, no community, and no corner of the nation is left behind as we march towards Vision 2030 is at best aspirational rhetoric and at worst misleading. Vast swatches of Zimbabwe remain disconnected from reliable internet and digital sources, especially in rural areas like Gokwe South, where basic infrastructure continues to lag behind. The ministers claim that their city ministry remains steadfast in driving digital inclusion and creating opportunities for all Zimbabweans to thrive in the fourth industrial revolution. Does it little to conceal the slow pace of progress, lack of tangible impact on the ground. Ndombasvikarupo panguva ine vanachikriticize Mavetera's move yekunodonata ma30 laptops pamwechete nekupatuma kits to Starlink. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.